Onyado Kawasemi. It's one of the inner gardens here. It's a luxury ryokan in Fukushima Prefecture in Japan, in the Tohoku region, which is in the main island of Honshu, but quite north. And it's near Fukushima City, about 20 minutes away, in an area called Iizaka Onsen. So it's a onsen town, hot springs. And so this is a room called Wabisuke, and it's in Japanese it's called Tokubetsushitsu, which means a special room. And what makes it special is it's the top category room, and it's a little bit separate from the other rooms. So it's kind of an annex area, and a little more space and comfort. And also meals are served in the room. Nice little nooks and crannies here and there. It also has the most privacy and the best view. So turn around, here's the main hallway for all the rooms. Let's take a look at the first one to the right, get it out of the way. This is a secondary room. They call it chashitsu or tea room. And so you can use it for whatever you want. You can see that this is where they have the yukata robes that you'll wear throughout in the property, and the one on the right is called samue, which are a little more casual, that you can wear while you're here. Really nice hanging scroll, little vase. Okay, so that's the tea room, and so let's walk across the hallway. Okay, so this is the main living area. And in this room, if you book this room, you can have meals served in your room, and this would be the room where they would serve it. I'll show you the view in a second. There's also another connecting room. And this is where they will roll out the futon beds after dinner, and this is where you will sleep. And actually the futon bed is tucked away behind here in this closet, where they will actually then bring it out, roll it out. So this is, there's several decks facing a nice little pond. So let's take a look at it. So you have this area, and you have this area. Let's take a look. Yeah, so this room has this from the deck. Pretty azalea flowers. And it's kind of a long deck like this. Pretty landscaping. Anyways, we'll head back this way, go back inside. Let me close the glass window so that no bugs get in. Anyway, so this is another angle of the main living room. And as mentioned before, this is the secondary living room that turns into a bedroom. All right, so we'll take a shortcut this way. This is the minibar, or the refrigerator, and they have drinks and beer, things like that stocked up here, as well as bottles of water, and it's complimentary. All right, coming towards the end of the hallway, before we hang a left, let's go straight in here, and Japanese toilet, of course with a bidet washlet, but that's commonplace in this country. Very hygienic people. All right, so I mentioned before, this is onsen Ryokan. This is the sink, the wash basin. And so there's an indoor bath and an outdoor. The indoor one, you can see it's a nice wooden hinoki wood bath. Smells awesome. The thing is, you have to actually fill it yourself. It's not free flowing. You can't just jump in anytime you want, and it's also not onsen. So really, you don't really need to bother with that. Here's a shower right here. Because what you have outside is really what you come for, and it's this onsen. With a nice tranquil view of the lake. Looks like if you zoom up, there's a little waterfall, or small one out there. Anyway, so nice view, very peaceful and tranquil. So this is what you get to enjoy while bathing in the natural hot springs. So, with all this said, Onyado Kawasemi is renowned as one of the top luxury ryokans in all of Japan. And as nice as the room is, it's even more renowned for its food. So we're looking forward to it. Actually, the Tohoku region we found, you might think it lacks sophistication, but the food, the ingredients, the mountain vegetables and the wild plants, some of the river fish, all of it is pretty darn awesome. So we're really looking forward to it. This is Onyado Kawasemi, Iizaka Onsen in Fukushima, near Fukushima City, in Fukushima Prefecture of Japan. Wabisuke Villa Suite. Hope you enjoyed.